Good morning, students. Let us continue Module 5. In this lecture video, I will be discussing the fundamentals of Arduino programming. So, here we will be seeing there are two required functions, methods, or it is also called routines. The more to write any program, two most important functions we must write. So first one is void setup, and it runs only once. So in void setup, we write some basic commands, some special statement which will be setting up the environment, which creates the environment to write the program or run the program. To run any program, some basic requirements is there, some basic initialization functions need to be started. So those things we will be writing in the setup function. Next one is the loop function. So for anything, any statement, you want to repeat it again and again. Any statement or any part of the program, you want it to be executed again and again. So those codes we can write in the loop function. Next one is comments. So there are two types of comment lines we can write. As we know that in any programming language, there are two types of comment line. One is called single line comment line and another is called multi-line comment line. So in the single line comment line, we just write double front slash and C for single line comment line. So we can write the statement comments. Comment line it will be written in any program just to clarify what that particular uh, set of code about. This set of code it is written about what is its functionality. That can be clear by writing the comment line, and comment line will not be the part of the program. And now here first two lines it is a single line comment line. It's a good to put at the top and before anything tricky. Multi-line comment line we can put front line star and more than one line. This is for multi-line comment like this and this, and start a front slash. We should start a front slash start, and we can write multi-lines more than one line and start front slash. We can write like this. Multi-line comment line it is called. Suppose if you are not able to finish your comment in one line, then you can use multi-line comment line. Now, for example, this is a screenshot of some small program written here, that format of the program. So here in the beginning, you can see that it is a double front slash. It is a single line comment line. It's a name of the sketch, brief description, and date. So here we are writing void setup, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Put your setup code here to run once, and this will be running only some setup code which need to be executed before any program uh, start executing. Those values, the fundamental values need to be started. It should be initialized. So those things, those code we should write, and it will run only once. Next one, void loop, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Put your main code here to run repeatedly. Put your main code here to run repeatedly. So in this loop, we should write those code which you want to be executed more than one time. So those things we can write. Some more special things we can write here functions. Pin mode. Pin mode we will be writing. It's a syntax for pin mode. It is a pin, then input, output. Input or output we can write. Now, for example, let us see this. We are writing pin mode 13 and output. We want the pin number 13. It should work as an output. It should display the output. So then we can set up this information. Pin mode 13 output. Then next is digital write. Pin comma high or low. I want to for example digital write 13 comma high. So here we want that pin number 13, it should be assigned as a high value. So for that we can use the digital write, and this pin number 913, it will act like a writing mm, high. So high value of the digital write we have set up at pin number 13. Next one, delay. You want to put delay and millisecond. So you want to put delay means you want any further before further instruction to be executed. You want to make some delay. You want to create some delay. Then you can use this function, that is a delay and time millisecond. That argument which you are saying the time millisecond, that value should be written in the millisecond. Now, for example, a delay 2500. Now, 2500 it is a millisecond. So, a millisecond, if you convert into second, it will give you 2.5 seconds. So, this function it will create 2.5 second pause before the next instruction gets executed. For note, commands are case sensitive. So these commands are case sensitive. So if it is in lowercase, it should be lowercase. If it is in uppercase, it should be in uppercase only. Now, for example, Arduino programs run two basic sections. Here, same thing already we discussed. Avoid setup. It set up motors, sensors, initial things. In what default state you want to put the motors and sensors in. Then loop get information from sensors, send commands to motors, again it will be running. Here also same thing. Here setup for example, now those in the previous slides we studied the syntax. Here we will be studying with one example. The setup section is used for assigning input and output, like motors, LEDs, sensors, to port on the Arduino. So setup section it is used to assign input and output functions uh, to different port number. Now, for example, we have it also specified whether the device is output device or input device. To do this, we use the command pin mode. So, for example, what setup pin mode 9 and output. So, port number 9 it will work. The code means what is the significance of this code? The significance of the setup code it is pin number 9 or port number 9, it should work as an output function. So this is the meaning. This is the use of the setup. Loop, for example, we can see that while loop digital write 9 high. So for writing port number 9 we are using, and at that port number 9 the LED will be on. LED will be on. Then we can use a delay for 1000 millisecond or 1 second. Then we can use digital write port number 9 again low. Port number 9 we can switch it off, turn the LED on or off. This digital write 9 low, it will turn off the LED, and digital write 9 high, it will turn on the LED and delay 1000. So wait for 1 second or 1000 milliseconds. Declaring a variable, in order to know how we can declare a variable, it is like that integer val equal to 5. So this integer it is a data type. Instead of integer you can both char, string, long also. And here val it is a variable name. Instead of val you can put any another variable, some, equal, minus, sign, and all those things. The variable name, or it is also called identifier. Then equal to assignment, it is assignment operator, and then 5 it is a value. So integer val equal to 5. So this is how the